First severe thunderstorm warning in the actual area. This is for WXJ90, let's turn it on.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 4 tonight has been issued until 5 a.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday for the following counties in Missouri, Benton, and Morgan. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Benton County, Northern St. Clair County, Northwestern Kansas County, Morgan County, until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 11:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Warrensburg to Layton to near Clinton to Appleton City, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Truman Lake, Lake of the Ozarks, Truman State Park, Versailles, Warsaw, Lincoln, Appleton City, Colcan, Stover, Lowry City, Syracuse, Climax, Springs, Ionia, Palo Lakeview Heights, Florence, Crockerville, Frista, Navi, Racket. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until Central Daylight Time Sunday for the following counties in Missouri, Benton, Camden, Morgan, and St. Clair. The current time is 11:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 429, effective until 5 a.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday. This watch includes the following counties in Missouri, Benton, and Morgan. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development.
I will be back when I have an update.